When it comes to marketing automation, two platforms that often come up are ActiveCampaign and Moosend. But which one truly offers the better solution for your business? In this video, we'll break down what both ActiveCampaign and Moosend bring to the table, and by the end, I'll share my personal recommendation for the best choice. Stick around, because there's a twist you won't see coming. Let's start with ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign is known for its powerful email marketing and automation features. It offers a lot of flexibility when it comes to building workflows, with a drag-and-drop editor that's intuitive for beginners and detailed enough for experienced marketers. You can segment your audience in countless ways, set up complex automations, and use advanced features like lead scoring and dynamic content. The customer service is great too, with chat support and a comprehensive knowledge base. However, there are a few drawbacks. First, while ActiveCampaign can handle complex automations, its interface can get overwhelming at times, especially for newcomers. Also, it's on the pricier side. As you scale, the cost can really add up, which might make it less appealing for smaller businesses or those just starting out. Next thing, let's look at Moosend. Moosend positions itself as a simpler alternative with a more user-friendly interface. It also provides powerful automation features, but its drag-and-drop workflow builder is generally considered easier to navigate than ActiveCampaign's, especially for those who don't need advanced features right off the bat. Moosend's pricing is another standout feature. It's more affordable, particularly for small businesses or startups looking for a cost-effective solution. However, Moosend isn't without its flaws. The reporting features, while decent, don't quite compare to ActiveCampaign's depth. If you're someone who needs detailed analytics and reports to measure campaign performance, you might find Moosend lacking in that department. Additionally, Moosend's customer support isn't as robust, and some users have noted slower response times. The fourth thing to consider is integrations. ActiveCampaign offers a ton of integrations with CRMs, e-commerce platforms, and more, giving it an edge if you run a business with multiple tools in your tech stack. Moosend, while it covers the basics, doesn't have quite as many integrations, which could limit your flexibility as your business grows. The fifth thing, if you're looking for something more specialized, ActiveCampaign excels in CRM and sales automation. It combines email marketing with a built-in CRM system, giving you the ability to track leads and automate follow-ups in a way Moosend doesn't. If sales automation is a priority for your business, this is something you'll want to keep in mind. Now, both ActiveCampaign and Moosend are solid platforms for email marketing and automation, and I'm sure either could work for many businesses. But after trying both myself and considering the needs of most businesses, I have to say there's a better alternative out there. If you want a more intuitive, affordable, and powerful solution for marketing automation, one that has all the features you need without the headaches, check out the link in the description below. You'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. So, while ActiveCampaign and Moosend are great, this alternative truly stands out. Make sure to hit the link below and get started with the best solution today.